Hello, this is Karen Haylar. Today I want to talk to you about my new funnel plot tool. A funnel plot is a scatter plot of rates against population size. It compares results from different populations over the same time period. For example, the rate of referral for a particular condition from a number of GP surgeries. The population size is plotted on the horizontal axis and the rate on the vertical axis. The chart has a mean and limits which are used to identify populations who fall outside the usual distribution. Right, let's have a go. To begin, you need to identify the date range of your study. This will be plotted on the graph. You then need to decide what measure you are using. I've used rates of referral for chest pain, and then what your study populations are. So I'm using GP practices. This is entirely fictitious data. I've set up a study population of a maximum of 50 GP surgeries, and you can use a rate which is literally the number against the population, or I might want to know the rate per thousand, and that's what I'm choosing to use today. Right, let's start filling in some data. There are my first three. Initially, of course, the chart is not very meaningful, but we can already see the mean and the limits. Two of the GP surgeries are labelled because they fall outside those limits. Here are some more, and some more. You can see we're beginning to develop a funnel shape plot which has a mean. Most of the populations lie within the funnel shape plot, but one here lies outside. Let's add some more data. Okay, this is getting to be more interesting, and we can see that we've got a couple of outliers already in our data set. Here are some more. Obviously, every time you add data, the mean and the process limits are recalculated. And that's our complete data set. You can see now that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 surgeries which fall outside our expected population. One of them is quite a small surgery and it falls way above. This surgery has a much higher rate of referral for chest pain than most of the other surgeries. This surgery here is a very large surgery and it has a slightly lower rate than expected of referrals for chest pain. Down here you can see our results table. The GP practices which fall outside the process limits or the normal expected range are highlighted in yellow, and you can see that there are 3 high and 3 low in this population. When you get observations like this, you need to go and investigate what's different about those populations. Perhaps this surgery is a very young surgery with much less referrals for chest pain. Perhaps this one has a very high population of elderly patients. Who knows? That's up to you to find out.